Hello there, welcome back to this channel. I'm Afrin, and in this video I'm gonna share with you a special face pack for especially in this summer. So guys, whenever we come back home in summer, we feel our skin feel burning sensation. Also after a few hours you can see tan in your skin. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a face pack which is 100% effective for your tan and for your burning sensation. But before starting this video, I must say this is not only purposely for suntan removing or to remove burning sensation, but also this face pack gives you glowing skin, radiant skin, bright skin, and it will moisturize your skin also. So what ingredient you need for making this? So first I have turmeric. As you all know that groom to be or bride to be has been pampered by turmeric in our country since many years. I don't know since when. But turmeric has property which brighten up your skin, which remove all the dead skin. It will heal damage in your skin. You have to use it if you want to brighten up your skin, if you want glowing in your skin, if you want a white skin. So let's moving on the next ingredient, which is honey. Again honey is an amazing thing for skin. I have already made separate video about honey for benefits in your skin. Moving on to next ingredient, which is lemon. Lemon has vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to reduce your suntan, reduce your any tan and pigmentation. So that's why we are using lemon in this ingredient. Also, if you want, you can also add one more ingredient if you feel more tan in your skin. So you can use tomato also. Next ingredient is, you can see behind me, is aloe vera plant. So this is my little baby plant of aloe vera, and I am taking a branch of it, and I have made a gel from aloe vera. This is aloe vera gel. You can see my plant is very little, so I have little gel with one branch, but it is more than enough for my one-time treatment, so it is enough for me. I can't say aloe vera benefits of for your skin. I am going to make another video about benefit of aloe vera, so wait for that video. But for now I have 4 ingredients. You can add tomato as I told. You have to take all those ingredients and you have to make a paste, and then you have to apply on your face, and then you have to leave it for 4-5 minutes and so, and after that you have to wash it off. In summer I would love to recommend this to you guys, that you should have to use this paste 3 days in a week if you want to completely avoid suntan on your skin. But if you want, if you don't have that time, that at least you can use this paste once in a week. It will 100% effective remedy if you will using this continuously, regularly. Believe me, you will not got any kind of suntan, and of course plus you have glowing skin, you have bright skin, your color tone is brighten up, you see moisturizing in your face, you will not feel any dryness in your face, and you can use it on your face, on your hands, on your legs. You have to apply this on your neck. I hope guys this video is helpful for you, informative for you, and if it does, then please press the like button and also do subscribe the channel. And so yeah guys, for today that's it. I will see you in my next video with a new informative video. Till then, take care and bye guys.